right, class 2 of the Samoan language class, we talked about describing subjects. The word order is flipped from English, so this is where a lot of people get lost right out the gate when people start speaking Samoan. So remember our simple subject phrase structure. We got the O, we got our limiter, we're going to use se on this one, and then our noun. We'll use ta'avale. If we wanted to describe ka'avale as a new car, we would say car new. That would be the Samoan word order. So if the Price is Right was in Samoan, they say, what you going to win? O se ta'avale fo. We also talked about this, that, these, and those. Lene, lena, ne, and na. Now these can be used before or after the noun, but if you use it after the noun, you have to make sure that there's a singular limiter in the front. For example, you can say o lene ta'avale fo or o le ta'avale fo lene. So on the second one, it's used after, but you have to have the singular limiter in the front. So it's a singular sentence. O le ta'avale fo lene. And then finally, the word ma can be used as a connecting word to connect words and phrases. For example, o oi ma'au. O se ta'avale tuai, ma se ta'avale fo. See what I'm saying? We're building piece by piece. So identify something, give it an adjective, put it in the Samoan phrase, right? And then identify something else, and then connect them with the word ma.